At first glance, the eBridge PDF viewer looks very similar to the eBridge TIFF viewer, but there are a number of additional features and enhancements that allow you to work with your documents in a more efficient and interactive manner than you can with the TIFF viewer. The purpose of this video is to walk you through the features of the PDF viewer and to show you some of the highlights of exactly what you can do with it. First, you'll see several icons at the top of the window that you can use when viewing the document. The Save icon allows you to save the document in original or annotated format to a location on your local computer. The down arrow next to the Save icon will allow you to save an encrypted, password-protected file onto your local computer. The Print icon allows you to print the document. The Email icon allows you to send the entire batch, or you can use the down arrow to send selected pages or a password-protected link via email instead of the document itself. The Rotate Left icon rotates the current page counterclockwise, while the Rotate Right icon rotates the current page clockwise. The Zoom tool allows you to fit the page to the viewer by the height of the viewer, width of the viewer, or to the actual size of the document. Next, you have several annotation features. Using these will make temporary changes to your PDF document. You can print, email, or save the file to your computer after using these tools, but when you close the document, you'll be asked whether to save and upload the changes to eBridge. Uploading the changes to PDF files is not permanent. The next time you open the document, these additions can be altered or deleted. The Drawing tool allows you to highlight, circle, underline, and make notes on the document. The document can then be printed, emailed, or saved to your computer using the Save icon. Drawings can be moved to other parts of the document by single-clicking them and dragging them to a new location. A square box will appear around the drawing when you single-click on it. You can right-click on the drawing to open the options list. Select Open Properties. The Pencil Properties window will allow you to change the thickness, color, and opacity of the line. The opacity can be adjusted using the slider bar or typing a number in the % field. The General tab allows you to change the author and subject of the drawing, and also displays the date the drawing was created and last modified. The Review History tab displays the details of every change to the status of the drawing, including the user who made the change. They are separated by review history and migration history. You can prevent future changes to the drawing by checking the locked box. Next, you have the Annotation or Text icon. You click on this icon and then click on the document to insert a flashing cursor into the file so that you can add typed annotations on the page. The document can then be printed, emailed, or saved to your computer using the Save icon. And text annotations can be moved to other parts of the document by single-clicking them and dragging them to a new location. The font toolbar that appears when you click on the Annotations icon will allow you to select the font type and size you would like to use for your annotations, along with other formatting tools. To adjust the annotation properties, right-click on the drawing to open the options list and select Open Properties. The Typewriter Properties window will appear and show the Appearance tab. This will allow you to change the opacity of the text box by using the slider bar or typing a number in the % field. The General tab allows you to change the author and subject of the annotation and also displays the date the annotation was created and last modified. And Review History displays the details of every change to the status of the annotation, including the user who made the change, and are separated by Review History and Migration History. Again, you can prevent changes by checking the locked box. The Whiteout icon allows you to click and drag your mouse over the area you want to white out. This can be used if you're going to fax or email the document to someone and want to block out sensitive information. The white box that appears can be relocated to a different part of the file by clicking and dragging it elsewhere. And the box size can be adjusted by clicking and holding the edge or corner and dragging to the desired size. To use the pop-up note, which is not a feature included in the TIFF viewer, you just click on the yellow box and then click on the document. And this allows you to insert a note directly onto the file. A box will appear that you can type into, and you can then relocate the box to a different part of the document by clicking and dragging it elsewhere on the page. Pop-up notes can also be added to any annotation by double-clicking on them. The pop-up note window size can be adjusted by clicking one of the bottom corners and holding while dragging the corner to the desired size. You can move either the note itself or the box by single-clicking on the toolbar at the top of the note and holding while moving to the desired location. And the pop-up note can be closed by clicking X in the upper right corner. Some of the additional menu options that you can access by right-clicking on an annotation or by clicking Options in the upper right portion of the pop-up note are Set Status, which allows you to review the annotation and set the status as None, Accepted, Rejected, Canceled, or Completed, and also allows you to set the migration status as None, Not Confirmed, or Confirmed. Mark with check mark allows you to mark the annotation as checked. Close pop-up note in this case would close this pop-up note, but on other annotations you'll have open pop-up note, which allows you to add text notes to the annotation. And reset pop-up note allows you to reset the note added to the annotation. Delete allows you to remove the annotation from the document. Reply allows you to add a time and date stamp to new text in the pop-up note. Center allows you to adjust the position of the annotation to the center of the page, vertically, horizontally, or both, which would be the absolute center of the page. Set current properties as default saves the current settings for the selected annotation tool as the default settings to be used for new annotations, and open properties allows you to adjust the selected annotation's properties. The navigation buttons allow you to browse the pages of a batch one by one or to jump to the beginning or end of a batch. Or you can simply type a page number to navigate directly to that page. Text search, which is also something not available in the TIFF viewer, allows you to find typed text within the document. Settings allows you to change the viewer settings. And the Help button allows you to access help files for the viewer application. You can also right-click anywhere on the open document to delete a page, see the document properties, select text, flatten the file, append the file, or to learn more about the technology that drives the eBridge PDF viewer. When you made annotations on an eBridge PDF and you close the document, the system will ask you if you would like to upload the changes to eBridge. Again, these are not permanent, and you'll see how when you open the document again, the annotations from last time are still in place. However, you can delete them or change them in any way that you need to. For more information on the eBridge PDF viewer or to get started on converting your TIFFs to PDFs, you can contact the eBridge support department at support@ebridge.com or at 813-387-3870, option 2. We are available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time.